Hi, I chose to focus on California's wildfires, or just wildfires in general, for a current event, news event. And my question is, how do wildfires affect the environment? Some of the environmental effects are loss of vegetation and soil, loss of wildlife and habitats, water and wind erosion, potential flooding, discoloration of drinking water. They can cause tremendous amounts of money and damages, and these can be elaborated on. And this is a picture that I got from the website listed, and it shows the measurements of the carbon monoxide in the air as parts per billion by volume. The technology we use to monitor the carbon monoxide. First of all, the carbon monoxide is a pollutant that we can pick up on these various technologies, and it's harmful to various parts of the atmosphere. NASA instruments are used to study and record the amounts of carbon monoxide in the air. And the measurement of pollution in the troposphere looks at the amounts of carbon monoxide in our lowest layer of the atmosphere. The atmospheric infrared sounder and advanced microwave sounding unit are used to detect infrared and microwave radiation. Here's some pictures of that technology and what it looks like. As you're doing a lesson about wildfires, which whatever you choose to do, here's some questions you could ask students during a lesson. Are wildfires ever a good thing? What elements cause a wildfire? What can we do to prevent wildfires? What are the roles of foresters and how do they help us? What fire safety guidelines are in place to prevent these wildfires? And of course, these can be modified or extended upon based on the grade level you teach. Standards that I focused on, mainly this one asks questions to obtain information on how technology is used to limit and to predict the impact of constructive and deconstructive processes. And also an engineering standard. Generate and compare multiple possible solutions to a problem based on how well each is likely to meet the criteria and constraints of the problem. So this is something that students could work on and discuss. Here are my references, and thank you very much.